Hi, this is Carrie Phillips Christensen, and today I'm going to present on my research Prospectus, Implementing Digital Game-Based Learning, a Teacher's Perspective. The focus of the study would be to find out how high school teachers in public schools perceive game-based learning as a tool for their classroom. The underlying problem is that school is increasingly seen as irrelevant by many students who are past the primary grades. And so game-based learning might be a potential way to address this problem, but game-based learning is often perceived as entertainment only. So I would like to find out how teachers really view and think about game-based learning for their classroom. Part of this study, I would include a more clear definition for teachers, what game-based learning can provide as an educational tool. And so one reason for game-based learning is situated learning, which is like experiential learning. Another reason is that students are able to take on powerful identities, like as experts in a field, or gain experiencing through role-playing. Also, game-based learning provides ways that students can share values inside of a context. Game-based learning also helps communities of learning develop, which empowers students to take the initiative to share their own expertise. And the fifth reason is that playing games allows to build social habits, which is a really big part of high school classrooms, regardless of content. So the methods I would use specifically would be the setting I would be focusing on is the 9th through 12th grade high school classroom. Content doesn't matter. Teaching experience doesn't matter. I'm interested in hearing from any teacher that has any perspective on game-based learning. The population I'm focusing on is specifically high school teachers, teachers who are dealing with high school students. The instrument would be a digital survey sent through email, and then follow up with web conferences or face-to-face interviews. And then the delimitations would be like this is for face-to-face teaching only, so online classes would be for a later study. High school teachers specifically, university, elementary, middle school, all for potentially later studies. So that is my plan. Thank you so much.